Hey there, I'm gonna give another go at getting this thing picked on camera. It's a Sargent 6-pin mortise. It's really not my best friend right now. I'm getting pretty tired of this thing. Oops. It'd be fine if this 6-pin wasn't such a turd. It's just really, it's set really high, and it's behind some low ones, and so it's a challenge. Tension on this thing is really gotta be precise. The window between too much and not enough is quite narrow. I think I may have already messed this one up, but I'll know for sure once I... Oh, how about this? Haha! That feels pretty good. Go ahead and gut it. Put this thing back on autofocus. There we go. Jeez. So I just got really lucky, actually, getting that thing picked so quickly. I've picked it in a few seconds like that several times, maybe 4 or 5 times, but I've also picked on it for 2 hours, 3 hours at a time with short breaks and made very little headway. Oops. Look how long that one is, how short 6 is. It's irritating. Come on. What's wrong with your tray, Mao? Why is it doing this to me? I thought it was adequate, but now I'm not so sure. Ooh, boy. Not got time to mess this up yet. Here we go.